star 50. This is the purpose of it, just for showing my program in a clear cut, good presentation format. The symbol called hyphen repeated how many times? 50 times. So say that now I'm writing print. What is my operations here? Arithmetic operations results. Arithmetic operations results. Arithmetic operations results. Okay, now I'm saying under that one line I want, that is called something like what, 50. Now I will write. Now I will write that code. Again I'm writing like this. Now I will start. Come on, my dear students. Now what is this now? Come on, say sum of I say, comma, is equal to I say, double quotes started, is equal to I say, like this. Dot format of, come on students, help me. A comma, B comma, A plus B, A plus B. Understand? What is the symbol here? What is the symbol here? Plus. Plus I am using it. If you are most interested, if you are very much interested, still you want to be interested, you can write plus in middle of it, no problem. No problem like that. You try to execute once, say run. Say run. Okay, this bracket, nothing will happen because it is there in the inside the double quotes. Okay, now you see run this code, enter the value of a 10 and 3. Answer is coming. 10 plus 3 is equal to what? 13. I can print my output in colorful also. Recently to the Python, one module is added, Colorama, COLORAMA. Colorama. We can install that with the Pip tool and we can use whatever color I want. I can display my output of the color. I want this in red in color, I want blue in color, green in color, whatever the color I want, I can display my output. Colorama, one type of rainbow kind of colors are added. I can mix them, I can display whatever I like it. I will also tell in the class. Okay, students, let me continue, my dear students. I will copy my statement and I will write it here. I'll copy my statement and I will write it here. Print off what I will write it, minus. Minus I will write it, A minus B, I wrote it. You just try to run it once again. Enter the value 10 and 3. I got the result as what? 10 plus 3 and 10 minus 3. Next I will write it. Next I'm writing here. What is this next, please? Come on, guys. Star. I say here star operator. Star operator. I can write it now. I will write it single slash, and next is single slash. I will write it. Next I will write what, ma? Double slash. I will write it. Double slash. I will write it. Here I will write it. Double slash. Double slash. Here I will write it. What is this now? Percent operator. I am writing here percent operator. Next I will write here star operator. I will write it. Star. I will write it. Here I will write star. Okay. Run this. Enter the value 10 and 3. I will write it. See the output of this now. Below this output you see. Are you getting my point? Yes. The same kind of output. The same kind of program. I can do it happily. Anywhere else. And edit plus and say new and I go for others and say Python and I will just paste it. For better visibility to my students to see across the online and offline, I'll go for this. So what I will do there, I say there, this program demonstrates what? Arithmetic operators. I'll give my file name as what, AOP.py. Just to save it, AOP.py. I'll go to my place of equal, say name operators here and then save this code as AOP.py. There is no direct symbol like a run symbol there. We have to run especially by using the tools. Which tool? Python or py. Go to the command prompt. Where is my program is available? E colon. And you don't get confused because I'm showing in different environments. Go to the command prompt. E colon. KVR. Python. Say 9 AM. Under that where I'm saving it. Operator symbol. Operators place. I just saved it. Please execute. Py. AOP dot. Enter the value 100. Enter the value something like 3. I got it. Addition, subtraction and multiplication. 10 by 3. 33.3333. Slash 3. Only 33 is coming. Percentage. Remainder is 1. And 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but like this. Are you okay, students? Like this, you people can enter into that. Suppose if you want to do it in PyCharm or Visual Studio, VS Code, there are a lot of IDs are there. So for launching this ID, it will take some time. I just clicked on it. So this will be launching. You can also set the theme. Like yesterday, I was setting UI theme, Solarize light color or something like that. You can set it. This is a PyCharm ID. It is showing something like this. So it has some sort of file like this. This is my existing program which I shown to my previous students. Okay, so let it be close it and take some small project as we have seen yesterday. Some project. You take that and say what new. In that say new file. Which file you want? Python file. I will take it. AOP1.py. And I can take this and I can take that statement. Which statement I can take it, my dear students? Go to this program. I can just say this line. And I pasted it. What is same? Code is same. What is different? Just my execution environments are different. Let us save it and say what? Right click. Say what? Run. There earlier we went for what? Run. Their packages, script, etc. in this place. And if you say run and go to where? Running this. You can go for it. Then there is one more thing called what? Say this and run AOP1. Wherever your program is there you say right click and say what? Run AOP. And see that it is asking. It is the cursor is there for you. Enter the value of A. I'll say 1000. I'll say 300. I will say 300. You will get the answer. 100 to the power of 3. You see how much big lines are coming. If it is other programming language, it will say can't store. Python can store any amount of big data because everything is called what? Objects. Are you getting my point? So this is the one I set. This is one way of this is called output is minimized. One way is to run what? Right click and then say run. And one more way is to run there and then say what? Run. I can say run. AOP. It is asking which one you want to run. This one you run. Say asking 10 and then say something like 2. I got 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 1000. Output I got it or not? Okay. This is second way. There is another way is also there. You see there is a symbol. Come on. There is a symbol here. This is a symbol. What is this? Green symbol is there. Click on that. Ensure that you need to have the program there. Execute it. It is asking the number called what? 3. And 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 is called what? 27. And the result corresponding to that also came. Easy or difficult? Finally, what Spider also I can show you, Sublime Text also I can show you, VS Code also I can show you. Wherever you want, I can show you. In all the cases, what is same? Coding is same. And this is something like any car driving is same. Like that, you must ensure it. So what I'm personally saying is, if you understand me, I'll keep for better visibility to the students. I will use this. You sit on your machine. You take PyCharm, you take Jupyter Notebook, you take anything and you execute it. It's my advice to you. Shall I move forward? See if this code is understandable. Your students in online, are you comfortable? Atom ID also. Who is this? Amit Patak. So sir, I'm not understanding print of this. That's what I'm saying it. If anybody was not attending the class properly, we cannot understand. So this I have already explained so many times. This is symbol slash, this is symbol hyphen, repeated 50 times. I told so many times even in today's class also. So this is very easy. And once you miss one day, if anything is covered, that part if you get it into the programming, definitely you cannot understand. And that I cannot repeat once again in the class. Because for one student if I repeat, so many students are waiting, so many students are in the online, 274 students are there. I cannot make those students to wait. Are you getting me? So let us move to the further. Be punctual to the classes and understand everything. One more program. Write a Python program. Next step. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will calculate a to the power of m. A to the power of m. I don't write in English. A to the power of m. A to the power of m. What is a? Look at all of you. What is a? Base. Base na? What is m? Power it is called. Immediately when you give this task in your Python, how do you write it? One thing must get it into your mind. So my source set is subject, double star, and my requirement is this one. So every time requirement must be solved with your subject. Whose subject requirements you cannot fulfill. Am I correct? A famous doctor, more medicines, any problem, just to shoot it. Software engineer, more libraries, more subject knowledge, requirement, just to vanish it. Troubleshoot it like anything. Troubleshoot it. Troubles means requirements, problems. When they're coming, you will shoot because of your good subject. Okay, students, shall we start this? Right. So coming to the point of it, next program I want to do it. How I will do it? Say new and then say others and then say Python. So this program, see my dear students, program calculate a to the power of, I don't have the symbol here, a to the power of, I'm writing there, a to the power of what? M, a to the power of m. Actually I write a to the power of m like mathematics. Come on students, I say, what is that? Power example1.py, power example1.py. Come on, what is your input please? Come on ma, float, input of, enter, base. M is equal to float of, input of, enter power. Okay, take care about the brackets mismatching. Okay, students, RS is equal to A star M. A star M. No problem. M. A star M. Because that operator. Okay, print students. How do you print it? Power of. Okay, comma is equal to dot format of. Come on, students. A comma M comma RS. Understand? As this format function supplies the value of A to this first empty curly brace, M to the second one, RS to the third one. So happily it is giving the result. Let us see the students. Let us save this code. Let us go to your place of it. Say that my name operators there. I will just go for it. Yes, I will go for running this code, ma. I'll go for this running this code. Py. I say enter the base something like 3. Enter this thing 4 to 3 to the power of 4. Enter the power called 100. Enter that base power is called minus 3. So 1 by 10 cube. 1E06. Did you understand 1E06? What is that 1E06? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So you'll get the scientific notation it is called. We understand. So enter that at 10 and then minus 2, you are getting 0.01. Understand? So like that, anything to be to the power of anything, we can write it. So say something like this 1000 and say something like 200, you'll be getting. So overflow error it is coming. Even you see a bigger data is entered, even the main memory stack is becoming full. Stack memory, Python is having the capability to display any longer data, but your system requirements also must be satisfied or not. Low memory of stack memory will give you definitely restriction on it, but language restriction, no. Right. So try to enter 23 and then 4. 23 to the power of 4 also will be going to give you. Understand, students? Right. Now, shall we go for one assignment now? Right down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate, very important this is, which will calculate square root of n. In the beginning days, whether you remember or not, look at ma. When you came for my demo classes beginning, I was introduced one module called math. Did you remember? Import what? Math. Later I was used in your place math.what? SQRT. Did you remember that? Math.SQRT of you are passing n, right or not? Today I'm not using this math module. I want to use my own logic here. Understand? Continue. Continue. Write a Python program which will calculate square root of n without using predefined function SQRT. Without using predefined function SQRT. Yes. Look at my dear students. Ankit, follow my class, ma. Follow the class. Because you have to learn subject also, na? Ankit, try to understand me. Try to follow. Okay? Ankit, you are very good by now. Follow me. House servants, I'm going to show you that. Okay? Right. So coming to the point of it, go to this Python command prompt. Look at all of you. As I told you already, import, what I said, math dot, what is this function? SQRT of what? 25. What is the answer? 5.0. Today I don't want to use it. I want to go for. Let us take square root of what? N. Square root of n. Look at once again. Square root of n is equal to, how easily we are going to write it? Square means what is there here 2 na? Mathematically it is called 2. On the top of n, what is there? N means n to the power of 1. How do you write it mathematically, ma? N to the power of 1 by 2. Am I correct? N to the power of 1 by 2 means what it is? 0.5. How you can write it in our Python? So simple, sir. N star. What is this? 0.5. So that I will get the answer. When you come to this place now, you be careful, my dear student. You have to write n star 1 by 2. Don't write like this. Why? Because you have a slash operator, you have a double slash operator. Double slash operator will be given first preference. It will calculate into the power of 1. By 2 will be taken later. But most rule contains only brackets, so division, normal multiplication. Exponentiation was not there. Here you have to write n star. You have to say 1 by 2, you do it. First to do 1 by 2, later you do the exponentiation. Understand? Come on. What is my n is equal to? 25. Come on. Direct to say n star what? 0.25. 5. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes. N is equal to what again? 25. N star 1 by 2 you say. What is the answer is coming? Why it is n star 1? That is a 25 to the power of 1 is 25. 25 by 2 is called what? 25 by 12.5. That's why be careful, my dear students. Be careful. See the answer now like that. When you are in the programming, you should not be a normal. You should be a more extraordinary student. If such things are coming, definitely student will go wrong direction 0.5. That is wrong. So you need to apply everything. Double star is having more priority than slash. Star and slash is there. Slash will have more priority. Did you get my point? So sleeping for every 10 minutes or 15 minutes. 3 times I pinpointed you. Next time, you'll sit here. Don't sleep, ma. Come on. So coming to the point of it, can you write that code? Can you write that code? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. See that. Later I will give you 1 or 2 assignments for you. Look at. I'm going to say program calculates what? Square root of. What is it? Square root of a given number. Square root of a given number. Given number. Okay. So I will take it as what? Square root example. SQRT example 1 dot. Okay. I will take it. Okay. N is equal to int of or float of whatever you like it. Input of. Come on, student. Enter a number. Okay. So I will write it directly. Come on. RES is equal to n star 0.5. Did you understand the 0.5 concept? Yes. Or I can write it, students, for your clarity purpose. RES is equal to n star what? Come on, ma. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Let us go for RES. I say here SQRT of this number is equal to what is this now? N comma. What is this? That's it. Save this code. Go to this line. There is operators. So here I'm having. Save it. Execute this code, ma. Go to the command prompt, please. Py SQRT example 1 from 25. Something like 3, 1.732, etc. You say something like 2. Such a bigger number is coming. If you want, you can go for what? See, my dear student, I say here, for your better understanding, I'm giving one small point, same output. I want to give you something different way. What I'm going to give you, I say here, see, my dear student, same thing, I say one small function, I want to use it. See, my dear student, to get more clarity on my subject area, I will go to my Python environment. See, my dear student, 22 by 3, 22 by R, I will say 3.45C45 like that. It is the data. Okay, sorry. A is equal to. Now I'm going to say, round function is there. There's a function called what, ma? Round. A comma 2. A is the number. Round to what? 2 decimals. Consider 2 decimals. Print of A. 4, 5, na? 5 more than 5. It will be considered 6. Not getting. 4, 5. 5 means what? 5 next number. Next, something like it is called like this. 4, 2, 4, 4 like this you say. Round off this A. What is this? 4, 2 only. Why? Because the 2 is not more than what? Yeah. Now you take. This is called what you know. 45, 5, 5, 5, 5 like this. Now you'll say round off A2. What is considered? 2 decimals you said after that. 4, 5. 5 is last you take it. 5 less than 5. Next number you round it. What is the next number? Right. See that now? Understand? Now next go for what? 3. What is the answer now? 5 digits, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, this one. You take it as what? Like that. Go to that program now. Go to this program now. I say what? Round off RES comma. What I will consider? 2. And after the decimal, 2 decimals. Last decimal, 5 more than 5 will be next number. It is not a subject of today's class. It is a general knowledge on your exercise. So say 2. What is the answer? 2.141. 1 is the last 2 decimals. 1 is not a 5 now. So it is going to be 1.1441 only. Next you say 3. 1.73. 1.73 only will come. Are you okay, students? Right. So take care about that. If you want a bigger number to display like that, if you want to round it, you can go for like that. Okay, now students, let's go to this. This is called what? Square root of a given number. Okay, now? Fine. If you want to go for this same thing for another way of like this, SQRT, if you want to go for it to display in another format, you can take like this. What is it? I can take it. What is this number? Percentage FO. Here also I can take it as what? Percentage FO. 0.2 or 3, you can take it. You can say here. Tell me. Percent of n comma what? Yeah. So go to the place of it. Say. Yeah, see here. I will get it. Some 3 you enter. You are getting the result like this. And all the things, every day I will use it in my class. Once we don't read yesterday and if you come to the class, you cannot understand. Every day concept I will carry in every day. So that you must be on time to the subject. One more. This is 2 things I said. I did it. You do by yourself one more thing. Write a Python program. Which will calculate. Look at on the board. Which will calculate. Look at on the board, ma. What is this symbol, ma? What is this symbol called? Cube root of. Because in data science, statistical calculations will come. Like this, I will get it nth root of like this it will come. Sometimes you will come across this one. You will come across like this. I is equal to 1 to n, x to the power of n will come. Because by keeping lot of forecasting knowledge in the brain, I want to cover my programming. This is called what? Summation. Sigma is nothing but what? Summation. Sometimes you will come across this one. What is the symbol called? I is equal to 1 to n. What is that? X to the power of n. That is called product. So we have seen it in our statistical operations, probabilities kind of places. So to do this kind of thing, nothing is required here. X star n. What is that n? N can be 1, 2, 3, 4. I will use for loop and I will do it. Just left hand left finger in our Python language. You do it in Java. Minimum it will take 1 hour for you. And even you cannot do also. Because we don't have the double star operator there. Double star operator code you need to write it. Writing the code by yourself, a complex code is definitely complex. Understand? So our intention is to deal with the data science, statistical operations. Like that I want to train you. So write down, calculate cube root of n, comma. See, m square root of n. See on the board, mth root of n. It is very easy for you. How do you do it? Hint I am giving. How do you do it? N double star, bracket open, 1 by 3 you will write it. Bracket open compulsory, optional. Compulsory. How do you do this, please? Double star of what? 1 by. That's it. Bracket is compulsory or optional? Compulsory. I hope you understand this point, right, ma? Right. That you try to do it as a homework. Because already I did this type of thing, na? I said this. So that, like that you need to do it. Understand? Right. Next, which operator I need to go for it? Assignment operator, I will go for it. Yesterday's class, what? Simple interest. Simple interest, na? What operator you used it? P star, T star, R by 100. What is an operator star? Slash by 100. Slash operator, which slash you use the single slash or double slash? Single slash I do because I want the quotient also to come. Right or not? So we used what operators? Arithmetic operators we used yesterday. Right? One more assignment you write. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate a plus b whole square, comma, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. Come on, look at. Our life is so simple once we know star operator, double star operator. What is the input in the first one? What is my file name? Formula.py. Formula.py. What is the input, please? A and B. Simply, I will go for what? A plus B bracket star star what? 2. First you add them and then do that. Next is what? A plus B. What I will do? Star star what? 3. I will do it. You need not write A square plus 2 into A into B plus B into B like that. You need not to go for the normal story 1927 black and white story. Go for the subject of the double star operator. Understand, students? Wherever the exponentiation is coming, go for this operator. And this type of questions will come as a system test for you in the companies because they will insisting on you how you know the operators. Okay? One more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will convert Celsius temperature into foreign heat and Kelvin. Foreign heat and Kelvin. How many temperature measurements are there? 3. 2. 2 is childhood days. For Celsius temperature, foreign heat temperature, and Kelvin also there. See, my dear student, formula. You need not to know formula. I'm only giving formula. Hint you write down. Under the program, you write hint, all of you. Foreign heat temperature. FT is equal to. Yes, come on, students, you know. 9 by 5 into. Don't know. CT means Celsius temperature plus what? 32. Or you can also somewhere else or other you will find 1.8 CT plus 32. That is called a foreign heat temperature. 1.8 is coming. 9 by 5 is nothing but 1.8 only. So this is one thing. One more thing I'm giving. Kelvin temperature. KT is equal to. I'm giving students KT. Kelvin temperature is equal to. What is it? CT plus 272 na 73 na. 272. Yeah. Okay. Good. 373. Okay, ma. 373. Write down. Whatever the formula we have. 373. Suppose if we don't know this formula, for example, I can search in net also for temperature conversion formulas. You will get it. What is the input here? Celsius temperature. I'll print a report. What is the report? Given temperature Celsius, equivalent to foreign heat, equivalent to Kelvin. So in news broadcasting, at the end of the news, we will be getting in the city, this is the Celsius, this is the foreign heat. How they are doing? With a simple software. I will take temperatures of the cities in where? In the list I will take it. In the dictionary I will take it. City name, temperature name. I will convert into what type? Celsius temperature and what? I will use it in my broadcasting of the news. Are they calculating pen and paper? Is the news reader knows this formula? No. Behind of that news reading, there is a lot of people are working in the background. So weather forecasting kind of thing, your Python also will support. That time these formulas are going to come. So be careful about such type of formulas. Okay, students? Yes, this is called which operators? Arithmetic operators. How many arithmetic operators are there? 7. What are the 4 last operators, please? Slash, division, floor division, modulo division, exponentiation. That is very, very perfect. Very, very important. Clear? Yes. Next, tomorrow class when we come back, I will talk about the assignment operators. I will explain. What is my operators? There, assignment operators. I will explain. So assignment operators are there. That I will explain in the next session. I will go for it. So assignment operators I will explain. Where is it? Assignment operator. Next operator is called what? Assignment operator I will explain. Plus relational operators also I will explain. Assignment operator. Already you know assignment single equal to, but there is a multi-line assignment is there. That is a specialty of our class. Multi-line assignment I will explain. So on that some programs everything. So practice this. I give the ample of assignment. Daily make me to remember giving assignments. So I will give the assignments. If anybody don't do the assignments, I don't ask daily. Have you done assignment? Have you done assignment like that? Because I need to concentrate on my course content to deliver it. So do it with interest and come to the class. Okay. So I'll stop it. Thank you. Good day. Right, mom. Durgesh. Yesterday's link to provide, sir. Yesterday's link means